So I started CTMC because I saw that there was this amazing potential for cell therapies to transform actually all of healthcare delivery. But there was this tremendous challenge in how to manufacture those and get them to patients. And my whole career has been spent on developing therapeutics, figuring out how to manufacture complex therapeutics. So I thought we could really do something different from the ground up, fit for purpose, designed specifically and intentionally to address the challenges with cell therapy.
If you look at the people here at CTMC, we are a good mix of people with academic experience and industry experience. So if you want someone to identify the gaps in your science, we have people for that. If you want people to industrialize your process, we have people for that. And the strength is that these two groups are working together, and so you get the best of both worlds.
What attracted me to CTMC is the possibility to use my expertise and make it available to then combine with different technologies that are made by these newer companies that know which gene to remove or add to a T cell to make it better, but may not have the expertise in reliably expanding T cells from patients. So I think these two come together very well and give us an advantage.
From the CTMC standpoint, I think collaboration is key because we're learning together. We are constructing things at the same time. So have this kind of understanding within manufacturing and QC and QA and engineering and facilities and equipment. That kind of collaboration helps us to have robust processes in place to be ready for the future. But then the second dimension is also as important as the first one, because now it's the collaboration with partners. So we need to provide them that we have the right infrastructure to support their future, their visions, their expectations.
We really like to think of FDA as our partners, and we like to interact with them. We like to get feedback, but I think the key to that is really making sure that we're asking the right questions. We're providing the specific information that the FDA needs to answer those questions. And so interacting with them, I think, is essential to enable speed to development, speed to clinic, flexibility to commercialization.
When you have cancer, you are on the clock. So when the patient therapy comes in, it's very critical that we get it out the door back to the clinic in a time-efficient manner with quality standards met and everything done correctly.
What I'm most excited about is seeing patient responses and knowing that we have patients who had no other options, who came to MD Anderson for a clinical trial, were put on one of our therapies, our partnered therapies, and had a complete response. And while they came to MD Anderson with 6 months to live, now they're at 18 months, 24 months, and still having time with their family and friends. And hopefully that will go on for a lot longer. That's what gets all of us out of bed every morning, and that's what makes me most proud to be part of CTMC.